2006 Ford F-150. This is the King Ranch. Okay, so suppose you got your door blend fixed on the 2006 Ford F-150 and you put in the refrigerant and the AC start cooling, and then all of a sudden it goes warm again on you. The likelihood is that this valve right here, the high pressure Schrader valve, is leaking. So you open it up and you hear hissing sound from it. This valve right here, part number YF3290, that's the replacement valve. You can see I've already removed the old valve. That's the old one, and the new one there. There's a tool you can get from Amazon. This is this tool right here. It basically just works as a screwdriver to screw that in and out. Install this in the valve and make sure that it's going in centered, and then just put the tool over it to screw it in. The key thing is to make sure that it is not going in crooked. And once it's hand tight, nothing serious, and that should be it. And I can now try to refill the air conditioner and listen for some leak, and if there is no leak, we're golden. To fill the AC, we go to the low pressure Schrader valve. Open this up. And then we connect our AC line to it. That's in. That's showing 0. There's nothing in here at all. And we'll start the car and put the AC on full blast. And just turn this upside down a little bit. And let it feel. The can should start getting cold. You can hear the compressor coming on. There we go. Yeah, that's cold. That's showing me so that compressor is kicking on and off. Well, with that little bit of compression in there, there is no leak coming from here. So at least the valve is fixed, and we can resolve any issue with the compressor later.